Hey y'all, today I'll be giving a 3-month update for this lace front wig I got from OneMoreHair, and I'll be showing you how to do your own frontal touch-up at home without using any glue. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Me I beg you, who me beg I them father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me jet over, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too quick.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you are a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so this video is for anyone with a lace install that is lifting, pulling back, or has completely come off. I'm about to show you how to fix that super quick and easy without using any glue. Alright, so first I start off by detangling the hair and loosening out the style that I had in. This is the same style that I did for the install video for this wig. If you haven't seen that, I'll put a card for it and I'll leave a link for it in my description box below. So I'm going to go ahead and loose out these braids and take out the jewelry so that I can start brushing the adult hairs back and combing the baby hairs forward, because I'm going to use the baby hairs as like my little handle to seal the lace down with my Got to Be Free spray. Now, even though this video is sped up, I was really taking my time going piece by piece. Like, the best way to touch up your lace front or your lace install is to take your time and lay it down piece by piece, because then you could be really careful about where it's at and make sure it's melting properly. You feel me? Okay, and now I'm just gonna cut any hairs that's longer than the baby hairs that I already had cut. And you just really want to take your time, like laying this lace down. Like, that's the best way to really like melt it into your skin, is to take your time, seal each piece down, cut the baby hairs carefully, and I promise you it'll be worth it, because look at how that lace is melting. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the next side. Alright, now when that's done, if I have any pieces of the edge of the lace that's still lifting, I take the edge of my rat tail comb and I spray some Got to Be Free spray on it and just seal it down. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab my beeswax to smooth down the frizzy hairs in the front with my pressing comb. So here you can really see how well this lace melted down just using Got to Be Free spray, and the difference in between the pressed side and the unpressed side. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue styling this unit, and I'll just come back towards the ends of the video. Able to add this part into the video because I curled my hair off camera, but this is wand curls. I didn't put anything on it. I just took the wand curl and I think I did like 8 big curls and it came out like this. So this hair is still in pretty good condition. I mean, I didn't wear it that much, but for the simple fact that I didn't take care of it and it's still so nice and beautiful, yeah, that's really good. If you haven't already seen the video that I posted for this wig, you can go ahead and check it out by clicking the card or clicking the link in my description box. Another big shout out to OneMoreHair, an Amazon hair company, and a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.